What do you know about the Rabbit R1? Here are some things you should know about it. Number 1. An AI companion. Rabbit R1 is an AI companion that aims to be a multifunctional digital companion, and it may have a slight ambition to replace smartphones. The gadget is said to be half the size of an iPhone with a rotation camera and a scroll wheel, and it's said to have integrated AI capabilities. Number 2. Listening mode. Rabbit R1 is said to have a listening mode that allows it to activate voice recognition capabilities. So, this could respond to user commands or queries, and this could perform tasks like answer questions, set reminders, or control smart home devices. So, you could play music on Spotify or order food on Zomato. Number 3. User privacy. Rabbit R1 is still said to be able to prioritize user privacy. Listening mode could only be activated when explicitly prompted with something like, "Hey Rabbit." So, this may be able to respect user boundaries and maintain confidentiality. And Rabbit R1's rotating camera may be able to automatically block when not in use. So, what do you think about Rabbit R1? Let us know in the comments.